Hi, good afternoon. My name is José David Caselles Toro. Are you? I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am 43 years old. In this moment, I working at the school in the primary section. I am a teacher of philosophy. In the others countries, my interest the multiculturally peoples and the culture, particularly of the others places of the world. In my free time, I like read philosophy books and cook in my kitchen and watch TV series. The best way um, for improve the my English is the practice of the abilities. This is languages: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. See if you could learn a new skill. This is the ability of listening. Bye.